Hi guys, today we're going to talk about locking and hiding your apps. With iOS 18, Apple finally lets us lock and hide individual apps, and it's super easy to do. This is a great way to keep personal information secure, especially for apps where you do banking, manage credit cards, or store other sensitive information. I even use it for my Photos app because I take pictures of my important paperwork. And let's be real, if your phone ever gets lost or stolen, even with a passcode, someone may still be able to get into your phone. And if you're someone who allows others to use your phone on occasion, it's especially important to protect your information. So today, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. We'll start by watching a live demonstration, and then I'll show you step by step. I'm going to lock my Photos app. So we'll tap and hold the app that you want to lock until you see the menu pop up. And then you're going to tap Require Face ID, and then tap Require Face ID again. It says this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear in notification previews or Spotlight. Your photos may appear in the apps below without using Face ID. You can change this in privacy settings. Most apps that you hide won't have that dialog box, but Photos is an exception. Then click Done. I'm going to lock the Wallet app. So tap and hold the app you want to lock, tap Require Face ID, and then tap Require Face ID again. The next time you want to open your app, you'll have to confirm with either Face ID or Touch ID to open the app. If you decide you want to unlock the app, tap and hold it again, and then tap Don't Require Face ID. Now we'll talk about hiding an app. Tap and hold the app you want to hide, then choose Require Face ID, then choose Hide and Require Face ID. So it says this app will be obscured. It will be in the folder for hidden apps. You won't get notification, calls, or alerts from this app. Then tap Hide App. Now that app is no longer visible on your home screen. When you need to find it, scroll all the way to the left until you get to your app library, and then scroll down to the bottom to the hidden folder. Once you tap on the hidden folder, you'll need to confirm your Face ID or Touch ID, and then you'll see the apps you hid. If you decide to unhide them, tap and hold on the app, and then tap Add to Home Screen and tap Unhide App. The app will likely not go back in the spot where it was, but you can look for it and put it back. So the steps to hide an app: tap and hold the app you want to hide, tap Require Face ID or Touch ID, then tap Hide and Require Face ID. iPhone will use Face ID or Touch ID to enable. If you no longer want to hide an app, swipe all the way to the left on your home screen until you get to the app library. Tap on the hidden folder, and then tap and hold the app you want to remove. Tap Add to Home Screen, and then tap Unhide App. This will return it to your home screen, but not necessarily in the spot that it came from. You may need to move it. So that's it. That's how to lock your apps and how to hide your apps. I hope you find that helpful. So here's just a quick tip I wanted to share. If you want to keep your display bright all the time, whether it's light out or dark out. Here's how to turn off the auto brightness. Go to Settings, then tap Accessibility, and then tap Display and Text Size. Then scroll down to the bottom and turn off auto brightness. You can see it says turning off auto brightness may affect the battery life, energy consumption, and long-term display performance. But if it's annoying to you that it gets dim when you don't want it to, this will fix that. So that's it. With these simple steps, you can enhance your privacy and keep your information secure. If you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments. Please share this video with someone else who could use iPhone tips. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.